In November, Sonendo released their investor presentation. Stock symbol SONX. And check this out. This is pretty amazing stuff. Here's their mission: saving teeth and improving lives. They have this gentle wave technique or procedure. It's a machine, and it works really, really well on saving teeth. Here's their management team. Look what some of these guys came from: Johnson and Johnson, Boston Scientific, Abbott, Beckman. These are huge companies where these guys came from. Key success factors: paradigm shifting platform for tooth decay. Amazing. Huge market. Uh, a lot of clinical and real world evidence. They've had over 1 million patients on this, and lots of other good stuff here. This is on their website. I'll put the link in the description. Look at the market for this: $1.9 billion market. 4 million of these root canal procedures, 9 million, over 30 million worldwide. And this is a conventional procedure where it doesn't work very well. It doesn't clean out the tooth like their system does. Ineffective cleaning. Only 35 to 65% of normal procedures result in a good outcome. But their system is, well, it's FDA cleared, superior cleaning, no pain. Here's their machine right here. There's a lot of details here. But it says here, complete reimagining of root canal. And here's a conventional, and look at theirs. It's crystal clean, total cleanliness. 30 peer-reviewed journals. It's been reviewed by a lot of people. Here's the clinical outcomes. Now this is normal here, and look at this is the time scale, how many days. Only 68 to 85% have a good outcome. Whereas with their system, in just a few days here, like what is this, 97% success rate. And look at this, the post-operative pain. This is normal. And look at theirs, only 4%. 96% have no pain. Amazing. 90%, 92%. What else we got here? Their revenues are going up. So this is their strategy and how they structure the sales team. Here's the business end of this thing. Look at this. It's pretty cool, huh? Clean Flow PI. Oh, this is our next generation. Here's the instrument. This is what it does. Just an amazing thing. Growth strategies. Here's their financial highlights. Look at the revenue. 2020, 21, 22, 44 million. 1,000 placed sales territories. I mean, their income's going straight up almost. Anyway, that's it, and I'll put the link to this in the description, but you should really check it out. This is some really revolutionary stuff, and the stock price should reflect that, I would think. Alright guys, thanks for watching.